Hey, welcome back to Crypto Moon Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you how to spot trade on Binance.com. Spot trading in the crypto market is the process of buying and selling digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum for immediate delivery. In other words, cryptocurrencies are directly transferred between market participants, which are the buyers and sellers. In a spot market, you have direct ownership of cryptocurrencies that you buy. So to begin, from the home page, navigate to the Trade tab. It will then give you a drop-down list with some options. We will only be dealing with spot trading, so we can ignore the bottom three options. Firstly, we have Convert. So this is the Binance Convert portal. Its purpose is to allow the trade between two different cryptocurrencies in the easiest possible way. For example, if you have 100 USDT and you wish to convert it to BTC, it will give you that ability within a few clicks. You can also choose between these pairs that they have available. However, the problem with this is that you have no say in the price. The buying price is higher than the current market price, and when you sell, it will be lower than the market price. This is called a spread, and it's kind of how Binance makes its money from this tool. In all honesty, I do not recommend trading like this, as you can get better prices using the regular trading platform. So to do that, we can go back to Trade and then click on Advanced. It's the same as the classic option. However, in my opinion, the tools and interface are much more simpler to navigate. If it's your first time on here, it will prompt you with a welcome video, but I'll be taking you through this myself. At the top here, it's showing you the crypto pair that you'll be trading. So in this instance, it's BTC against USDT. That means you'll be buying Bitcoin with USDT, or you'll be selling your Bitcoin to receive USDT. If we click on this arrow, it will give us a search bar where we can search for different pairs to trade. For example, if we want to look for Doge USDT, we can just type in Doge and it will bring up all of the tradable pairs. Let's just choose Doge USDT. So now it will show you the pair. Next, we have the price in USD. This here shows us the 24-hour change of Dogecoin against USDT. So in the last 24 hours, it has changed by this price. And it also shows you the percent it has changed by. Next, we have the highest Doge has been in 24 hours and the lowest price Doge has been in 24 hours. Here we have the total volume of Doge traded in the last 24 hours in Doge and also in USDT. Over here, we have the order book. Simply, this is where all of the sell and buy orders are listed. Red being the sell orders and green being the buy orders. When a buy order is matched with a sell order on the order book, an order is fulfilled. For example, if I wanted to sell Doge at 0.252 and someone else wanted to buy Doge at 0.252, then the order will be fulfilled. And this section shows all of the live trades as they are matched. So now we get to the place order section. This is where you'll be able to set all of your buy or sell parameters for your trade. Start off by choosing whether you want to buy Doge with USDT or sell your Doge in return for USDT. As you can see, we have three tab options: Limit, Market, and Stop Limit. For the sake of simplicity, I will only be covering the limit and market orders in this video. Check out my Binance playlist for a separate video on Stop Limit and OCO orders. A market order is an order to quickly buy or sell at the best available current price. Unlike limit orders, where orders are placed on the order book, market orders are executed instantly at the current market price. This also means that you pay a different fee called a market taker fee. This is higher than market maker fees that you pay when using a limit order. You can also see my video on Binance fees to get a better understanding. So under the market order, you simply put in the amount of USDT you want to spend, or you can use this slider to choose the percentage of USDT you want to spend from your available balance. The other option is called a limit order. With this option, you have more control over your trade by being able to choose a price you want to buy at. When your desired price is reached, the order will be executed on your behalf. For example, Doge is sitting around 24 cents. However, if you feel like the price will go down before going back up, I could set my limit buy order at 20 cents, and if it dips to that price, the order will go through and I would have been able to purchase Doge at a better price. So to do this, you will need to enter the price you want to purchase here, and then below, you will select how much USDT you want to spend from your balance. Once this order is placed, it will show up in your open order section until the price triggers the transaction. Then it will be removed from here and you can see the transaction in your order history. So once you have decided that it's the right time to sell and you have made a good percentage increase, simply come over to sell, which is red, and enter the price you would like to sell at and the amount of coin you want to sell. Your sell order will show up in your open orders tab until it is fulfilled. If you're a day trader, you should have a sell price in mind when first buying, so you can set your sell order right after your buy order goes through. You can also sell using the market order section, which will sell your crypto at the current average price. This could be handy if you want to sell immediately, however the price you're able to exit with will fluctuate due to the spread. So that's how you spot trade on Binance. For more Binance tutorials, check out the Binance playlist on my channel. And if you found the video helpful at all, please leave me a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.